Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a makeover in my 12-year-old daughter's room. She switched rooms with her daddy's office, so now she's got a little bit bigger room. She requested that we do a Hello Kitty theme because she collects everything Hello Kitty. So we're going to be going through, patching up some holes. That's why we're grabbing this, and we're going to pick out some paint, and we're going to try to give her a Hello Kitty themed bedroom. Let's get started. So right here she's picking the color pink. I guess in order to have a Hello Kitty room, you got to have pink walls. So we're starting off here with this blank, well, kind of blank. We have our bed in here, that's it. Like I said, this used to be the comic room slash comic office, whatever. Had comic books plus our computer, but we moved it to Noah's old room. There's a lot of holes here from where we had racks holding up all the comic books and Funko Pops. So we're gonna go through, fix all that, make it look a little bit better in here. So filling up each one of these little holes was a little bit tedious and took a little bit of time, but I wanted to make sure she didn't have any little holes in the wall, so that's just what I'm doing right now. This room is a little bit smaller, but she's been begging to move over here to this room. So when we decided to do that, I knew I would ask her how she wanted to decorate it. When we first moved here, she really didn't have a theme, so her bedroom was just kind of plain. But she's been on this Hello Kitty kick, so we're going to do that for her, and I hope she likes it. Love you, Noah. Alright, so here's the color. It's kind of Pepto-Bismol-y, but she picked it, so we'll see how it turns out. Alright y'all, so we got one wall almost done. I'm gonna start on this wall behind the bed. I gotta take this shelf down. And I gotta sand these holes over here. Then we'll be able to paint this wall. Hey David Bowie. to paint the shelf because, for one, we didn't want to take it down and she wanted to leave this one here. So I thought it would blend in better pink. And that way I don't have to worry about trimming it out with white. So we're gonna try it pink. If we hate it, we'll just paint it another color. But we'll see how it looks whenever everything dries. Picked up this little table here at a yard sale for $2. I knew it would fit perfect there. We're gonna put this little tray there and fill it up with all her little goodies. We found her some really cute Hello Kitty stuff at TJ Maxx. Little nail files, little chapsticks. She loves to do her little face mask and face creams. So we're gonna work on that now. Alright, y'all, we have all this Hello Kitty stuff we're gonna incorporate. We just gotta find somewhere to put it. This is so cute so far. She's gonna love this little area. We'll probably end up putting some LED lights or something. This lights up, but okay, hold on. Okay, hold on a minute. Alright, y'all, I brought out my Cricut. I'm getting ready to make some decals. I'm making her one for her lamp. I got these lamps right here at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. If you find them, get them because they're excellent. Alright, so I just printed it out, putting it on her lampshade. Realized I did it upside down. So, gonna print it out again and fix it. I figured while I had the machine out, I would try something. So I printed out some white ones, and I'm going to use them as little stickers for the wall. And I think it turned out really cute. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. We have a mess here. We're going to go grab some extra shelves so we can hang some of the stuff up on it. She's only been collecting for like a few months, and she's already found all this stuff at Goodwill and thrift stores. She won't buy it out in the regular store because if y'all know about Hello Kitty, it is really high. We do find some of it at Five Below for a really good deal, but most of it we find at Goodwill and the little stuffed animal bins are only a couple dollars. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and grab some of these shelves so we can display some of it.
the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've tried